Hi friends, this video shows how to fix this error. Here you can see it shows 0, then this ink icon. This means printer is waiting to prepare the ink. If you have not poured ink into tank, you have to pour ink. So that way we can fix this issue. Let me pour ink into the ink tank. First let me open this cover. Just pull this top part. Okay, done. Let me open this ink tank cover. Then we need to remove this cap, tank cap. See here we have to pour this black ink. So here ink has to be filled up to here. Then close this cap. Then close the cover. Next I am going to fill these color ink tanks. See, these are the colors. First let me open this cover. Then open this cap. Let me close these caps. Then close this cover. Let me close this, lift this up, then release. Let me start the printer. See, again you can see the same icon, 0 with ink icon. That means it's still waiting to prepare the ink. Let me press this back button. See, now icons on the display has been changed. Now you are seeing rotating icon and a wireless icon. Those are flashing. So please wait. Right now it's preparing ink. We have to wait 5 to 6 minutes to complete. See, now icons on the display changed. Now you are seeing flashing symbol with wireless icon. See, this means ink preparation has been completed. Let me set up laptop or Android mobile phone or iPhone. See, now I have successfully connected Android phone to this printer. So this way we can fix the error code 0 with ink icon. In other words, this way we can load and prepare inks. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.